Think slide on a late night. You like to slide on a late night. You sent the all you hit text without an invite. That's that shit that I don't like. We both slide on a late night. Do things in off time. We both made some mistakes. Pun road. Yeah.
Hey y'all, it's me, Nana Lee, and I'm back here with another video for y'all. And my camera went dead for my intro, so I'm using my phone for the intro. That's it, y'all. Okay. So I did this fall look for y'all, and it was very easy and simple. I like it a lot. Let me just show y'all how it look. Okay, so the palettes that I used today was the Morphe palette, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I just used the Makeup Forever little eyeshadow single one. Alright, and I'll be showing y'all everything in this video. And at the beginning I already had primed my eyes and stuff, so if y'all ever want to see how I do my eyebrows, just let me know and I'll do a tutorial on my eyebrows for y'all. Okay, so just let me know what y'all think. Like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all tap the doorbell thing so y'all could get all my notifications whenever I upload videos. Alright, so thanks y'all, bye. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all what I primed with. I already primed my eyes and my face. Did my eyebrows already. Okay, so I used the NYX Honeydew in this right here primer. I'm gonna just do my foundation first. I usually don't, but I will today. Alright, so I'm gonna be taking this Maybelline foundation, and this is in the color 310. Alright, and I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, so now that's all blended out, I'm gonna take my concealer. I'm gonna take the Maybelline concealer, and and this is the color Sand 20. Now I'm gonna mix it with my Pure Beige Pro Concealer. All right. Contour with this Bobbi Brown stick, and the color is Walnut 8. This brush and And I'm about to take some setting powder and set my eyes while I do my makeup, my eyeshadows, okay? So today I'm gonna be using the Bare Minerals setting powder. Okay, now to the eyeshadows. I'm going for a fall look, so okay. So first I'm gonna go in with this orange color. And then I'm gonna take like this reddish color right here in the pH palette and put that back there in the crease area. This color with this little tiny brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna just add a little bit of black back here and cut half of my crease and put some glitter or shimmer, I'm gonna think. Take this one, all right, and first I'm gonna put some glue on my eyelids. This is for glitter. I'm gonna do the other eye and then come back and finish everything else for y'all, okay? Okay, so both eyes are done. I'm about to dust all this powder off and then do under my eyes, okay? Okay, then I'm going with my contour palette from Anastasia, and I'm gonna just like put some powder right here and in my contour. But first I'm gonna start with the yellow one in Banana and just set my foundation. Okay, now I'm about to put I think I'm gonna just do like I don't want to do dark, but I guess I'm gonna just put this color under my eyes. I'll put some black back here, but I'm not gonna go too far up, okay? Alright, now what am I missing?
Oh my God, Lena. Oh my God.
Okay.
You still do all that.
So now I'm gonna take my glow setter. I know it ain't summer no more, but I love it, so I'm gonna use it. Alright. Lena! Kiss, 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 kiss. Give me a kiss. No! Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Y'all, look at these. I love them. My little sister gave me this, so I don't know where she got it from. And all you need is a little tap. So I'm gonna line my lips out and put some lipstick on. Alright, so I don't like the red, so I'm about to go wipe this off, okay? Some lip gloss is shimmering gold. Here's the end. I hope so. Alright. Tell me what y'all think. Alright, y'all.